Yo, it's time to level up. All right, welcome back everybody. I'm excited to get into this topic on this video because this is one of those topics that when I heard it talked about, it was helpful. But when I saw it visually, it took it to another level. This is one of the main reasons why only 5% of people break through. You know, they break through their goals, they break through their comfort zone, they break through whether it's their fitness goals, whether it's financial independence. This is going to break down one of the major reasons why that's possible. So here's what happens, okay? Most of us, okay, live right here at this line here called survival, okay? And it's literally a line. And what happens is most of us, we chill out right here at survival, okay? Now, this represents our comfort zone and everything else, but what happens is there's another line below survival called crisis mode. And this line, people start to trickle down towards something happens. You guys already know by now that there's always going to be different challenges, unexpected life events, financial challenges, different things that happen in life. And so what happens is something happens and we drift down to a crisis situation. Unexpected financial event, car breaks down, or family member needs help, or whatever the case is, and boom, all of a sudden when you hit this line of crisis, something happens internally, meaning you tap into what was always there, meaning drive, focus, creativity. You cut out distractions. You're willing to say no more to, people trying to go out and hang out. You're like, nope, can't do it right now. This is the same thing that successful people do. But when you're in your comfort zone, you'll only do it when you're in crisis mode, and you'll shoot back up to survival, and boom, now you can breathe again and hang out here. And guess what? Something will happen again, and you fall back down, and then crisis situations happens again, and boom, we go into hyperdrive, get focused, and we fall into this pattern. Now, what does it take to go from survival though to success? See, the next line up here is called success, right? That's the next line. So what does it take to go from survival to success? Guess what? It takes the same thing that it takes to go from survival or from crisis to survival. It's just that most people stop right when they get to survival. But if you kept going with that same level of focus, determination, work ethic, cutting out distractions and so forth, you could continue on to success. Here's the problem. This line, this space in between survival and success is our comfort zone. And that's why most people hang out here. That's why most people stop when they get back to the line of survival. Here's the other reason why people stop here. Because as we're going through this pattern, up and down between crisis and survival, bouncing back and forth, guess what? We're running into a lot of our friends. We're passing them up. Hey, you good? How you doing? What's going on? What's the latest, right? And you find out that they're going through similar situations, so we settle for that life because 95% of people are living that way. But if you want to go from survival to success, you just stay focused and continue on. Now there's one more level, right? Past success. It's called significance. Okay? Some of you have seen people that live for this level. Okay? What is significance? Significance, this is the level that represents purpose. Okay? It represents legacy. Success is just when you get there. You've accomplished your goals. You get to a place of achievement and maybe living your dream lifestyle and financial freedom and the health you want and all the different areas of life. You become successful, right? But significance is when you keep going and you help other people become successful. When you help other people get to success, and you help enough people do that, guess what? You become significant. And all you have to do is do the same thing you did to go from crisis to survival, but you keep going. And that'll take you from survival to success, and then from success to significance. So how do you do this? How do you go from where you currently are to going through these cycles? Number one, you need to create a vision of what you and your life looks like up here between success and significance. What does that look like? Create a vision, literally write it out. And then like the kind of person that you would have to become. What areas of your life do you need to work on or grow in order for you to become that person and to achieve those goals? And then you have to grow into that person. Successful people, they just work on their mindset internally. They work on their skill sets, their environments that they're in. They're always working on growing. They're being a student, and they're also very cautious of the associations that they keep, because you become the average of the people you hang around with the most. Guys, I'm telling you, if you create that vision for yourself and then commit to the process of growing into the person that you have to become in order to deserve that vision, guess what? You can make it happen. And so hopefully this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you guys on the next one.